Are you looking for the best hoverboards? In this video we will look at some of the best hoverboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hover One Ultra. The Hover One Ultra electric self-balancing hoverboard scooter is almost the exact same scooter as the Swagtron. If you are looking to get a hoverboard on sale, this is a great option because it is so inexpensive. There is speculation that both companies get their hoverboards from the same manufacturers. If you are looking for a Swagtron T1 hoverboard, you might want to compare it with the Hoverton S, which is pretty much comparable. Similarly, if you are looking for a Swagtron T3, you should compare it to the Hovertron XLS. Although the Hoverton is cheaper, Swagtron has an advantage because they are a bigger company, which means more availability of parts and better customer service. Number 2. Razer Hovertrax. It's no secret that the biggest name in scooters would throw their hat into the ring for the hoverboard phenomenon. The Hovertrax 2.0 is a great entry, and it comes with a ton of great features. Compared with the original Hovertrax, this one has a slimmer profile and therefore it is easier to carry around. It only weighs 24 pounds, which makes it a lightweight compared to some of the other self-balancing scooters out there. Number 3. Bluefin Hoverboard. Our first hoverboard is the Bluefin Hoverboard self-balancing scooter. This hoverboard comes with all the best features. It has Bluetooth integration and even built-in speakers. It can travel between 10 to 15 km per hour and it can scale inclines up to 15 degrees. It can be used indoors and outdoors, so it is super versatile. To top it all off, this hoverboard comes with an adorable carrying bag, which makes it very easy to transport from place to place. The finish is a sleek metallic pink, which is sure to get your attention in a stylish and classy way. Number 4. Flying Ant Hoverboard. This next scooter is the UL 2272 certified smart self-balancing hoverboard. This scooter has some great specifications and a ton of power behind it. It can support up to 220 pounds, making it one of the sturdiest hoverboards on the market. It can climb inclines up to 15 degrees and the battery charges in only 1 to 2 hours. Even though this hoverboard is only 22 pounds, it still packs a punch. It can travel up to 10 km per hour and has great acceleration. Overall, this is a great high-performance machine that many people love riding. It is a great vehicle to have around and a wonderful investment.